Working with database reporting and dealing with AGG files from Ragic. These are report generator files used by the Ragic database platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to access and use these Ragic report generator files for business data reporting. I highly recommend this quick preparation step. Keep a universal file viewing program installed. It's a lifesaver for bypassing minor AGG corruption, and I'll detail the best one shortly. An AGG file is a report generated by Ragic, a no-code cloud database platform. Users create these files when they export aggregated data or summaries from their database applications. The primary user intent is to view, share, or archive a snapshot of their data in a structured report format outside the Ragic platform. The AGG file is likely a structured data format, possibly XML or a proprietary binary, designed to encapsulate database report definitions and aggregated data. This design allows for the portable storage of complex reports, preserving the grouping, sorting, and calculation rules defined by the user within the Ragic application. For full accurate reading of AGG data, rely on Ragic by Ragic Inc. The file is locked by a proprietary indexing system Windows cannot read. Windows typically exposes only metadata, so proper reading relies on the software built for that data type. Your first move is to identify the possible decoders. Right-click the AGG file and choose Open With. Use Ragic if it is installed. If it's missing, select another program. Testing is the fastest diagnostic method. If your AGG file is not opening yet, that is normal. Let's systematically test the most common failure points to isolate the issue with your AGG file. First, opening in Ragic platform. Log into your Ragic account at ragic.com and navigate to the database where the AGG report belongs. Use the Reports section to locate and open the saved report based on the AGG file. Ragic's web interface displays the report with current data dynamically generated from the database according to the saved configuration. Next, customizing reports. Modify AGG report definitions through Ragic's Report Builder interface. Adjust filter criteria, add or remove fields, change grouping and aggregation methods, or update formatting options. Save changes either as updates to the existing AGG file or as new reports, preserving the original configuration for reference and continued use. Finally, exporting report output. Generate report output from AGG files in standard formats like Excel, XLSX, PDF, or CSV, using Ragic's export functions. The exported files contain the actual report data and formatting accessible without Ragic platform access. This enables sharing reports with stakeholders who don't have Ragic accounts while maintaining the underlying report definition for future use. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.